Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make wedding invitation video in Canva. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So creating a wedding invitation video in Canva can be pretty easy depending on how you approach this. But first thing that you need to do here is you need to go to canva.com, log in into your account, and once logged in, we are now ready to basically create our wedding invitation video. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to go ahead and go to canva.com here, and we want to use their search functionality. Now here, what we need to do is just type in the following, which is going to be wedding, and from here we just need to press on enter. Now there's going to be a lot of results that we could see here. As you can see, there's going to be invitations that you could see already here, but in this case we want to go ahead and filter this out further. As you can see, there's going to be a video that you could use. It's going to be animated. As you can see right now, this are kind of cool as everything is moving around. I just need to place some certain aspects into it for you to use this one. So just to give you an overview, if a certain aspect on this one, like for example, some of this are going to be pictures, but if you want to know if that specific template is going to be video, you should see a play button next to it at the bottom left, so that means it's actually a video. Now in this case, if you want to further customize this one, like for example the media itself, if you want to choose a media here or the category here, so let's say you want to say video here, just choose video, choose a specific one. Let's just choose this one. And from here, you should be able to see different formats for wedding invitation videos. So in this case, you could go ahead and search for anything that you want to use here. Oh, by the way, if you see a crown next to it that has a pro on it, it means that this template is only available for those who are using the pro version of Canva. Now in this case, if you just want to use or get the free ones, so make sure that you avoid the ones that has the crown on it. Now in this case, let's go ahead and use this one. So let's go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, there are going to be different sections here that we can see. We'll be editing this one by one later on. Now in this case, let's go ahead and click on customize this template. It's going to open up another tab here for Canva. And from here, we should be able to start editing it. As you can see, there are going to be certain aspects that we could change here. Like for example, this section here. Like for example, if you want to change this section here, you could go ahead and click on it, and from here you'll be able to view do a few things here. Like for example, edit video if you want to. For example, if you click on this one, you'll be able to add filters on it and a lot more. If you click on the more option here, you will be able to view other stuff in it. Like for example, detached video here if you want to remove that video. But in this case, maybe we want to replace this video. So in this case, if you go to uploads here, go to video, you should be able to see all the videos that is available on your account. And if you want to add new videos here, you could go ahead and just open up your Explorer. Like for example, if you want to go to downloads here, you could go ahead and just drag it into this section here, and you'll be able to upload your videos or your photos. And maybe I want to use this video here. This is just an example. So what you need to do here is just basically upload your photo or video here, press and hold on it, and drag it into that section that you want to replace. As you can see, we were able to replace that video. Now same thing, you could go ahead and do this for other sections here. Like for example, this one. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on this one, click on playback here, and make sure that you select the play automatically, so that when it actually plays in this specific section here, it should play automatically. So in this case, I want to click on play, and we should be able to see the new format of our video. So this one is actually pretty easy. Creating your own invitation video here or wedding invitation video in Canva is pretty easy. So now if you want to change like specific text here, it's pretty easy. Just click on the text itself, and from here double click on it, and you'll be able to change the text itself. Like for example, I want to say this is for Olivia and Matt. And from here, you can go ahead and just press on anywhere here to change that. And same thing if you want to change the location here as well as the date, you go ahead and double click on it. And as you can see, we were able to change certain aspects. Now in this case, if you want to add other elements into it, you can go ahead and go to elements here. Like for example, I want to add flowers on it. So you could go ahead and just type in flowers here, press on enter, and you should be able to see different graphics for flowers. Like for example, maybe I want to use something that is quite similar to this one. Maybe you want to use this one. So by the way, I'm choosing the element or graphic here does not have the crown on it, since we are going to use it, or we only want to use the free version. Now in this case, you could go ahead and just move it around here, position anywhere. Now, if you want to resize it, you could go ahead and resize it by clicking on the ends on it and just resizing it, as you can see right now. Now in this case, you could go ahead and start placing them around your invitation here. Now if you want to change some certain aspect on it, for example, you want to change the current layering. So in this case, you could go and click on layers here and just click on show layers, and you should be able to add specific layers or change how things looks here. Now depending on how they are placed, like for example, if you put this flower above a certain layer here, as you can see, it's going to be covered. But if you put it below a certain aspect or layer here, it's going to be at the very back. Now maybe we want to resize this one, and if you want to rotate it, look for the rotate icon here, and you can go ahead and rotate that. And from here, I want to place it in here. Now in this case, you could go ahead and add whatever here, since with how Canva actually works here, they actually have most of the things that you need in their platform. Now you don't have to think much on it, you just need to choose a specific template, and you could go ahead and start editing it, customizing it to your needs. Like for example, if you want to change this video, again, you just need to go to uploads and upload that video that you want to use for your invitation or video. Now in this case, if you click on play here, you should be able to see the current look of your wedding invitation video. If you want to change the length of your video, you could go ahead and drag it at the end here on the timeline, and you hit on play. It's going to change the timing on it, as you can see. Now in this case, you could go ahead and just continue editing your wedding invitation video here, and from here on, you should be good. So that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelena App. Thank you for watching.